going to start off by taking my Tarte Concealer and what is this in? Tan Sun. So I'm just putting that all over my eyelid as a base. I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush and this orange color from the Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to be using that as my transition color. So I'm just going a little bit above my crease and I'm just going to place that there. So now I'm going to be taking this color from Milk Cosmetics. It's the Love Sick, and I'm going to be putting that just on top of the color I just laid down. But I'm not bringing it too high up, so all I'm really doing is just layering colors on top of another to get the look I'm looking for. So I had like a really good day at work. I work with kids, and I don't know if you guys remember this game, but remember the game Heads Up 7-Up? We played that game today. I literally did not want to go on my break. I was like, I'm having so much fun. I remember like in school, that used to be my favorite game, was Heads Up 7-Up. So today I played it with my kids. Although like I realized that I really suck at that game. Like I'm not the best at Heads Up 7-Up. I literally like could not guess who was like picking me, and it was almost so obvious. But I guess I just suck at Heads Up 7-Up. What am I gonna take next? So now I'm gonna take this like chocolate color and this like reddish brown color. I know I'm like super hitting pan on that color just because I love it on both of those two colors. But I'm gonna take those two colors and I'm just going to layer that once again. All we do is we're just layering colors. That's all we're doing. Like for a simple look, you can literally leave it like this and put on some lashes, but you know me, I'm gonna bring the drama. So we're gonna do this dramatic cut crease. So yeah, let's see, hold on, let me blend this out a little bit more. All right, so now I'm gonna be taking that concealer, that Tarte Concealer again, and I'm just going to map out my cut crease. This is like the hard part. I literally can kill my whole look right now, but let's hope that I can get this done right. So I gradually go up. I don't like start in and draw. I start from the corner. To get a very precise line. You don't want to just draw it. You want to literally like take your time with. Now I'm going to take some more of that chocolate brown and dark brown color, and I'm going to just like fade it into the cut crease just so that it looks like it fades naturally, even though it don't, but you know, we gonna make it work. So one mistake that I used to make when I used to do cut creases is that I used to set this color, but I found out that doing that only takes away from like the color you want to pop. So you're not gonna set that. So now I'm gonna be taking this color called Gold Bar by Crown Cosmetics, and that is the color that is going to go on my lid. So I'm just packing that color on my lid. So that it's super pigmented. So now what I'm doing is I'm intensifying that Lovesick color again with this small brush. And I'm gonna do the same to the other eye just because I forgot to do it. So now I'm gonna be taking this black. This is like my favorite black. It's by Melt Cosmetics. It's Dark Matter. This is my favorite black, all-time black. Like, this black is so deep, so dark. I just love it. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that. You just wanna put a little tiny bit in there. Whenever you're working with blacks, you always want to start off with like the least amount, only because you don't want to sit there and put a lot of black on your lid and then try to blend that out or just mess up your whole look in general. So you always want to like start off with like a little tiny bit and gradually intensify it. Taking some more black, although boom. Boom. Just blending that. Take this lipstick color and I'm going to put that on the bottom of my eyes. I love the way that bottom smokiness looks. I feel like it always makes the look. So now I'm going to take this small brush once again with this dark brown color, and I'm going to put that above that lovesick color. I don't know what highlighter I want to use. Should I use this Artist Couture one? Or Fenty? Artist Couture or Fenty? I feel like the lid color already looks like Fenty, so I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the Artist Couture. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this Italia pencil and chocolate, I think it is. Yeah, chocolate. So I ended up just putting the whole liner around my lip. I just kind of like this color.